going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sam Alexa and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm doing another Hydro Dip video. Now, I know that I've done Air Force Ones before, but I saw a comment that I thought would just be such a sick idea, and that is doing Northern Lights inspired Air Force Ones. Usually when I'm doing the Hydro Dip and stuff, I get two spray paint cans and I go backwards and forth like that and I create swirls in the water. However, the Northern Light is like the sky, but it has different colours, usually green, and it's more like stripes to go across the sky. So instead of doing swirls, I'm going to be doing stripes in the water. I've never done this before, so I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but hopefully it does turn out pretty fire. The colours I'm going to be using are green, dark blue, purple, and light blue. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Let's go! Oh, so this is what they look like completely taped up. The first time I taped them up, I didn't tape up this inside part. The second time I taped them up, I didn't tape up this inside part. So for the third time, I figured, you know what, let me go ahead, switch it up a little bit. So I taped up the inside part. Now they're ready to be hydro dipped. Let's go. First, I've got to cover them in primer so the paint sticks better. Now they're primed, I've just got to fill the bucket up with water. Now that the bucket is full of water, we're ready to go. So now I've got my gloves on, I'm ready to go. The colours I'm going to be using are green, pink, blue, purple and dark blue. Okay, I have no idea how this is going to look whatsoever. It seems to be going to like swirls already. So this is the first dip then. I did try and do like a Northern Lights kind of thing. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit difficult. Usually I do like the swirls and stuff, but I think it looks pretty fire. As always, we're just gonna have to see what it looks like on the shoes. So to start off, I've got the right shoe and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dip it in. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, let's see what it looks like then. Whoa, okay, that is so green, whoa. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a new mixture and I'm gonna re-dip it. I'm gonna try and cover the back part as well, but of course that bit of the front is looking very, very green, so I'm gonna make sure to get that part covered the most. Okay, so this is the mixture. I'm just gonna go ahead and re-dip them. Let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like. I'm pretty certain they're gonna be completely covered in paint now. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Nice. Look at this, look at that. Okay, this is what the first shoe looks like completely done. Of course, we're just gonna have to see what it looks like when I've taken the tape off. Because right now, I'm not gonna lie, it's looking pretty crazy. I'm gonna go ahead, put the shoe to the side so it can dry a little bit, and then I'm just gonna start spraying for the second shoe. Let's go. So this is now the second design for the second shoe. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the second shoe now. Let's get into it. Okay, let's see what they look like. Whoa, already that looks much better than the first one. Whoa, look at that swirl. Look at the swirls going all over the shoe. And that part, that is definitely my favorite part. That part looks fire. Bro, they're looking pretty sick. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. I always feel like I do so many coats, but I never seem to be able to get the shoe completely covered. However, I do think it looks pretty cool with like the different layers and the different swirls and the different patterns. So once again, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray a second layer and re-dip them again. So this is what the second design looks like for the second shoe. Once again, I'm just gonna go ahead, re-dip them and make sure all that part right there is completely covered. Oh, okay, that is insane. Look how much purple is on that one spot. But the swirls are looking pretty fire. You got some green and pink going on as well, and then the other side is mostly green. So this is what the second shoe looks like. I'm going to completely cover it with acrylic varnish, then I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit, take the tape off, lace them up and show you what they look like completely finished. So this is what the Northern Lights inspired Air Force Ones look like completely finished. They do kind of have a Northern Lights feel to them, but it's a lot more like bushes and greenery and trees and just like foresty stuff in general rather than being Northern Lights. Although I do think they came out pretty fire in my opinion, but as always, make sure to let me know in the comment section below what you think of them. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? Today's comment shout goes to Dominican Candy. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you have anything else you want to see me do in the future, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. It's been your boy Sam Alexa. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.